Aerospace engineering is a STEM-focused discipline centered on the design, development, testing, and production of the aircraft, spacecraft, and related systems. And the core subdisciplines include aerodynamic, propulsions, structures and materials, avionics, astrodynamics, and flight dynamics. Here are two current projects. The first is NASA Artemis program. In this program, engineers design the rockets and the spaceship, plan their paths, work on how they will be propelled, and protect them from the heat. Engineers also make sure that our spaceship are safe for the people who will be traveling in them. The other one is SpaceX Starship. In this program, the engineers make the rocket can be used more than once, and also let it have the advanced propulsion, uh, aerodynamic control during the re-entry and high temperature materials. Uh, Next is the three main related associations. The first is AIAA, American Institute of the Aeronautics and Astronautics. This is a website that gives you access to the technical journals, conference, industry, standard networking, and career development resources specific to aerospace. The second is the ASME, American Society of the Mechanical Engineers, which helps the aerospace engineers in many ways, like by creating standards, by publishing research, by offering professional certifications, and by promoting continuing educations. The last one is the IEEE, Institute of the Electrical and Electronic Engineers, which offers resources in avionics, control system, communication, and robotics. These include the journals and conferences and technical societies.
How to become an aerospace engineer. You'll need practical skills and analytical skills. For practical skills, you'll need knowledge of engineering, science, and technology, math knowledge, design skills and knowledge of physics. For analytical skills, you'll need communication skills, business skills, interpersonal skills, math skills, problem solving skills, being able to identify and articulate problems clearly, analyze data to extract actionable insights, and apply the critical thinking to evaluate different solutions. Some strategies to to become an aerospace engineer. One, you could develop more math and science. But you could also get an internship in your engineering career. You could volunteer in your career path. Anywhere that allows it. Shadow a professional, also anywhere that will allow you to. You could join an engineering organization and you could find their flaws and work on improving them.
For my part of the video, I'm going to cover an education path, internships, and a timeline to become an aerospace engineer. Since we are in Arizona, the focus here is more on schools and opportunities that make sense for students who go to school in Arizona. There are several universities that offer a path to aerospace engineering. Arizona State University is one of the biggest engineering schools in the country, and it stands out because of its research labs, mainstream engine industry partnerships, and how many engineering disciplines you can branch into. The University of Arizona is another popular choice as they have strong programs in aerospace and mechanical engineering. They are also well known for providing space related research through their connection with NASA projects. Grand Canyon University does not have a dedicated aerospace degree like U of A or ASU, but they still offer mechanical and electrical engineering majors, which are both common when entering the aerospace field. There's also Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Prescott. The school, this school is more catered towards aviation and aerospace, and it's one of the top specialized aerospace universities in the country. Most aerospace engineers start with a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering, but mechanical and electrical or even software engineering can also lead you into the field. A lot of aerospace companies look for students who understand systems, programming, and robotics, so the degree in these fields are all valid paths. Some students also earn certificates in areas like computer aid design and manufacturing or programming to strengthen their skills. Internships are a huge part of this career because they let you take what you learn in class and apply it to real projects. You can get hands on experience with tools, testing, and design while you start building a professional network for your future. A local example is internships at Honeywell Aerospace right here in Phoenix. They hire engineering students for roles in testing, manufacturing, avionics, and software. Interns get to work with real aerospace systems and learn how large engineering teams run. A typical 10-year timeline for an aerospace engineer looks something like this. From years 1 to 4, you should complete your bachelor's degree, join engineering clubs like AIAA or even a simple robotics team, and try to get at least one internship before completing your bachelor's degree. From year 4 or year 5, when you should take your FE exam to become an engineer in training. From years 5 to 7 is when you typically should be working in the industry, building experience, and starting a master's degree if you want to specialize in a specific domain. From years 7 to 10, you should continue gaining experience in the industry while working towards your PE license if your career path requires it, or if you want to move into more advanced engineering roles. The path to aerospace engineering can seem long, but Arizona has strong universities, real internship opportunities, and a clear timeline that can help students grow into full time engineering roles.